So for tandem mass spectrometry, how exactly do we get these masses of these peptide fragments? So remember, we can use trypsin or cyanogen bromide to take our longer peptide and then cleave these into smaller fragments. And then from here we can put this into the mass spectrometer, and we can separate these by mass. So we can selectively insert, for instance, this smaller fragment. And from there, we can fragment this even further. Pens would be good here. And these can fragment at each of these bonds along the peptide backbone, but we tend to get the largest, we get the most probable fragments at the peptide bond. And so that's nice, because then if we have the mass of this charged fragment, this gives us information precisely on what the amino acid is, the identity of the amino acid of this fragment. And so that allows us to sequence individual fragments. So this is better than, it's a lot easier. The smaller we can get these fragments from the peptide, the smaller these peptide fragments are, the more likely we are to correctly identify the mass of each of these within the peptide fragment, and therefore get the correct sequence of this peptide.